What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're just going to take a look at a genuine Quickfit 26 band for your Garmin Fenix device. So this one is the red one, and let's just unbox it, check it out together, see what it looks like, and then I'll also do a quick comparison with this third-party Galushi band that I have. And if you want to check out more about these third-party bands, click on this link or check my link down in my description. So let's just open this up and see what we get. Let's see what's inside. That's basically it. So these are for your Fenix 3HR. We don't need that right now. Let's go ahead and just take a quick look at these ones and see what they're like. So this is the red, and I think it's a really nice color. The black and red theme goes very nice together. Clips are, as you'd expect, pretty awesome. No problems with that at all. Very easy. And then let's just compare it quickly to the third-party Galushi band that I have. And right off the bat, you can tell that the third-party Galushi is a lot darker. So if you're looking for a darker red and you don't mind third-party bands, definitely check these ones out. But other than that, I think they look pretty much identical in terms of the features. And you can see that the third-party band is just a tad bit longer as well. And then just taking a look at the mechanism, the Garmin one definitely is wider, so it makes it a little easier to pop this open, whereas the Galushi one's a little narrower, so you might have to struggle a little bit to get this down, but that it does work. It is very clicky. So this is what it'll look like on your Garmin device. And let me put this on. Really nice quality, as you'd expect from an OEM band. So this is it. I think this one just looks great. I definitely like the red color personally. I think it looks really, really good. You have the nice arrows as always. Definitely pretty cool. So I just wanted to show you guys what the red one looks like. And again, these are the third-party ones. A little darker, but I kind of like this lighter shade of red personally. I think it matches the watch pretty nicely. But let me know what you guys think. I'll leave a link down below where you can check these out if you want to. And there's some different colors, but I don't think I'll be getting any more colors personally. I like the red. I'm going to stick with this one. So appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.